It's potty time. Hooray! Oh, I'm a big kid today. No diapers, you see. Only underpants for me. When it's time, I know. I walk fast, it's time to go. Oh. You like to flush the toilet? I sit down and wait. Using the potty feels great. Oh. Ready? I flush and wash my hands using the potty. I feel grand. Everyone uses the potty like me and Daddy and Mommy. It's potty time. Hooray! I'm a big kid today. Okay, push the button. Where's the potty button? Push it. All done. All done. Do you want to push the button? Oh, say bye-bye.